So you can see that the project is massive. Just look at the podium. How big is it? So you can see this is island, we are on island number 2 right now, okay? On the right side, that's island number 3, Dream Island. Marjan Island, where the Wynn Casino will be. Just facing it, it's island number 4, where all the residential projects are going to be. So the two islands, they are literally facing each other. You can see this beach is the first beach of the island number 4, and it's a public beach. You're seeing those constructions, you're seeing the villas, that's Dana Bay, G+2, completed. Just next to it, construction, is Oceano by Lux, we can see from here. Behind it is Al Mahra Hotel.